Good morning, everybody. This is Steve Fletcher with a trumpet for my people. Today is September 12th, 2024. In my last message, I shared with you about the 1,335 days from the inauguration of Joe Biden, which was the third term of Barack Obama, 1,335 days to September 16th, September 17th, 2024. Blessed is he that waiteth and cometh to the 1,335 days. Then we have another 1,335 day connection going forward to Israel's 80th birthday on May 14, 2028. As it says in Psalm 90:10, the length of our days is 70 years, or 80 if we are strong, yet their pride is but labor and sorrow, for they quickly pass and we fly away. 80 years, May 14th, 2028. Blessed is he who waits and comes to the 1,335 days. So here we have September 17th, September 18th, we have a partial lunar eclipse, full moon, super moon, harvest moon, lunar eclipse. September 17th, September 18th of 2024. It has been brought to my attention that at the end of the movie Leave the World Behind, at the end of the movie where the girl goes into the bunker and watches the last episode of Friends, this emergency alert system comes on the screen, and here we have the date. Emergency alert 9/17, and then we have 2/4. 9/17/24 emergency alert. White House and major cities under attack by rogue armed forces. So is there something to this? September 17th and 18th, 2024. They have this date shown in Leave the World Behind. Maybe something is going to be happening on this day. And I just wanted to bring this to everybody's attention. Daniel 12:12. Blessed is he that waiteth and cometh to the 1,335 days. Doubly blessed 1,335 days. I pray you are blessed. This is Steve Fletcher with the trumpet for my people, the sign of his coming revealed.